kitchen chef is here, wearing his hat and full of cheer. He rolls some dough and takes a look. Let's make circle cookies, get your cooking book.
Round and round just like the moon, circles dance on the baking spoon. Wheels and coins and donut rings,
Circle's the shape that rolls and swings. You carry it all, stir it up, mix it right.
shapes are cooking day and night.
Circle, triangle, rectangle, square.
Chef makes shapes with love and care.
Chef says time for pizza pie, but first let's slice it, give it a try. He cuts a piece with 3 straight sides, a triangle shape. The chef now cries,
Like a mountain or a slice of cheese, 3-point shape it aims to please. Pointy hat or pyramid too,
triangle's coming just for you. Stir it on and stir it up, mix it right.
shapes are cooking day and night.
Circle, triangle, rectangle, square.
Chef makes shapes with love and care.
Next he bakes a loaf of bread. Let's see what shape pops out, he said. It's long and flat with sides not the same. A rectangle, that's the name.
United like a door or a tabletop, a TV screen or a chocolate block. 2 sides long, 2 sides short.
Rectangles in our kitchen floor. Stir it up, mix it right.
Shapes are cooking day and night.
Circle, triangle, rectangle, square.
Chef makes shapes with love and care.
Finally, chef grabs some cheese. He cuts it up with skill and ease. 4 even sides, strong and fair. That's a square right over there.
Like a window or a checker tile,
Boxes stacked up in a pile. All sides equal, neat and fair. Nothing beats a perfect square.